Hey everybody, Mrs. Norris here. So I'm going to show you the next steps to completing the activity for the 7 Principles of the Constitution poster project. So as you can see, I have started my poster. A few of those things that I talked about in the directions here, you can see reflected in my project here. Now I have it viewed at 100%. If I have it viewed at fit, then it seems very small. But if I were to print this page, it would be poster size at 11 by 14. So it would be a large poster. So I don't want to change the font too much, but I do the font size too much, but I need to be able to see what I'm working with. So I'm going to change it to 100. I've started with my first principle on the list, popular sovereignty, and I'm going to move to the next one, which is republicanism. So I've made a copy of what I've already done for popular sovereignty and moved it next to it. And then now I'm going to use those same features from before to do republicanism. Now I'm finding most of my information from that last resource, 7 Principles of the Constitution. So I'm going to go here and I've got my definition of republicanism. Citizens will elect representatives to carry out their will. And then the description of republicanism. Sorry. And then, okay. So I want to look again for something that has to do with voting for my picture. Oh, and I need my amendments where it comes from. So I want to do another voting picture. So I'm going to go to my Google Images. Okay, I can also, because I already have the picture here, if I right click, I can click on replace image and I can upload from, not my computer, sorry. So right click, replace image, and I can search the web. Okay, I'm going to do voting clip art. I don't want something that says the word vote. So I want to use something that uses the idea of voting. So I'm going to click on this one here and I'm going to replace it with that. All right, so this next one is now done and I can continue moving on. So all I'm going to do is click on the picture and then my text boxes, Command C, and then Command V to paste it. I'm going to move it. And then I'm going to move on to the next one, which would be federalism. So I'm going to continue to move on through these. And now in the next video, after this is all finished, I'll show you how to upload it to a Padlet, which is how we are going to present our information this time around.